Blow the trumpets and roll out that red carpet, guys, because we have royalty in the house today. When it comes to aesthetics, G.Skill have taken things to another level with their Trident C Royal Ram Kit. Even with the packaging, I already feel like I'm holding a luxury item. Feels like I've been to a really expensive jewellery shop. And then you have this gorgeous sleeve with the embellished writing on it. And underneath, the box itself, oh, I just can't wait to unbox this. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh, a cloth and a sticker. I'm sensing something shiny. Oh, wow. That is very bling. I can see why they've included the cloth because I am just so scared to touch these for fear of leaving a mark. It's just so shiny. Nevertheless, the show must go on. So, let me try and take one of these babies out. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. There is a plastic film you need to remove, so I'm gonna enjoy taking that off. Wow! And on the other side. Taking a closer look at this jewel, we have this beautiful silver heat spreader, which is in the classic Trident Tri-Fin design. You can also get it in gold for extra bling. On the top, there's this crystal-like light bar with 8 controllable RGB zones, and you just know that that's going to look amazing when it's on. I can't wait to show you that. Now, this particular kit is the 16GB 3000 MHz CL16, and they go all the way up to 4600 MHz. So this RAM doesn't just look good, as it's still offering the ultimate high performance you've learned to expect from G.Skill. It goes without saying that these RAM kits offer excellent overclocking performance and platform compatibility, whether you're using AMD or Intel motherboards. The software lighting control allows you to customize the RGB lighting, and you can also sync it with Asus Aura Sync or MSI Mystic Light compatible components. And on top of that, G.Skill also offer a limited lifetime warranty. But let's go back to how good this RAM looks, because I for one can't get over how shiny this aluminium heat spreader is. It's pretty much like a mirror, which means I can do this. That's all from me, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in again. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this product or anything you want to tell us, drop us a comment. Otherwise, I will see you next time.
Yeah.